It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another gardening project, garden update. And today I am going to share what's happening on my balcony garden. Am I doing anything successful? Am I having any disasters? Well, my disaster for today is my deal was doing pretty good, then it suffered. And setback. It is deteriorating, and on top of that, the deal is deteriorating, but I have a no, I don't think it's a volunteer. I probably planted that in there and forgot. Sage is growing in its place. Can you believe that? So I think sage in my area must love this season of spring. You know what, folks? Experience learn about these plants. Their growing season, when they're at their most happiest, is the season that they love, so to speak, and at their worst is when you're trying to grow stuff out of season. And this is California, so you know in California we always have some. I don't have my glasses on, everything looks blurry. I don't know why I keep doing that, but yeah, so lesson learned. Sage want to grow in the season it wants to grow in. So I don't know about rosemary. I got rosemary seeds around here somewhere, and so lots of sage. Well, we'll see what happens. And my scratched out thyme, it got revived. We did have a few rainstorms in that water nourished the thyme because it was scratched out. I don't know if you guys remember that, if you watched or not. The sincere garden content creators, if you watched, you've seen, I showed you my thyme was scratched out. Now it's coming back. I did give it a little plant food, and my parsley and sage had a setback. It had been warm over here for a few days, and I hadn't been checking on them like I should, and they were very dehydrated, and they just were in shock and fell out. So I immediately fixed the issue, and now they're revived back, healthy looking and green, because I'm in shock. Like, they collapsed. Everything was just drained. They were just kaput. You ever seen a collapse, dried up plant? That's what happened. And as soon as I watered them, gave them life, they revived. So I'm glad about that. So that's a success. So I got success and disaster sharing. Oh, and that plant back there is called a black rose. That pretty flower. My husband got me that, and I'm hoping that I got it in a great area where it will survive. We shall see. And I love that plant, succulent plant. I love it. And as you can see, I put my frogs, see, speak, hear no evil, out on the balcony in front of the mother owl that watches over them all. Yeah. So I just came in here. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing well. Don't forget to check out the participants that I advertised in the beginning of the video. Go and check out their gardening channels. If you're not subscribed to them, please do so and support them. And hopefully it's continuous, because they would love to have you, I'm sure. Now, their gardens are larger than mine. Now you see I have mine on the balcony, but they have a larger garden, and they have a lot of extra stuff growing, fruit trees, herbs, vegetables. Yes, amazing channel. So go and check them out, please. Now, my daughter helped me plant some sunflowers and some cosmos. Now, I told you guys in a previous video, nothing has shown up yet. Hopefully soon. I planted that trailing canary. Dang, I forgot the name of the other plant. And I had some cornflowers. I can't wait for this stuff to show up and show out. I'm going to, well, I gotta find my other sunflower plant. I planted sunflowers in the Cosmo, and I do have some other sunflower seeds that grow into a huge sunflower that I gotta find where I put them. And I did, folks, find my dang push pins. I found my push pins. See that? Push pins. So now, with the push pins, I'm going to be able to hang my pictures up. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, guys. Look, I did a little something. For now, anyway. Oh boy. I used my little stick pins and hung up those 3. I have a couple of more that I want to hang up out there. So look forward to that. I don't know how to get this little thing out the camera. So yeah, I just did that. Trying to slowly but surely create a style on this balcony. What I really would love is the gravel. Where you put the gravel and the stepping stones and all that. And I know when you have a small space, you can put stuff on the walls and stuff like that. That would be cool. And I know on the banister, they have pots that hang over, you know. That's another way of having space for plants. You get the pots that can shoulder over the banister. So that would be cool. And besides that, also is organizing and staging like those tall trees right there. I'm gonna put them in the background. You have tall, medium, then you have short. Tall, medium, short in height. So I can have that visual. Because those trees, they do not like full sun. So the shaded area is pointed toward the south. And the most, in the afternoon time, the sun is pointed toward the east. And the north is good on my herbs, sitting facing north. And right now you guys are looking south into my left and is the east, and to the right of the aisle, my right of the aisle is the west. So the majority of my sun in the early part is on the north, and then I get nice sun on the east. North and east is the nice sun. The south, shady, more shady, and where the lemon tree is the west. So let me do this again. North and east get the most sun. The west is medium, and the south is very low sun. The plants that don't like sun, they love that area. The spider plant, the aloe, that black rose plant right there, that burgundy, beautiful rosy looking plant, loves, well, the area, it likes shade. And the flowers and the herbs, they mostly like sun. So hopefully everything works out. I gotta plant my other tomatoes and some bell pepper and some more peppers. I'll be doing that shortly. But I do want my flowers to take off. Beautiful. But guys, I'm going to get off here. Hope you guys enjoyed this garden project, garden update, disaster story. And see, I'll be coming back, I don't know, maybe during the week or something. If something else sprouts up, and share that with you guys. But right now, I'm enjoying my projects I got going on the balcony, my gardening projects. And don't worry, I'll catch up with my gardening content creators. I'll be supporting you guys shortly. Never fear. I'll come around. Don't forget to check out those channels, and especially don't forget to check out any of my subscribers that are gardeners that come and support me. Going over there and check out their channels. Even subscribe and support them. We're all in this community together. Share the love. I love my albino frog. And I got a couple of new pieces coming for my garden. And I think I'll be done with the statue. But I'm going to share that with you guys when they get here. And hopefully I'll try to arrange things some type of way. With a little family, I don't know. We'll see how it works out. And yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Happy gardening. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.
I'll see you on the next one.